Thanks for choosing Prwatech for C programming course. What is C programming? C is developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. It is a general-purpose structured, machine-independent, simple and flexible programming language. High-level language, structured language, rich library extensible, and faster are features of C programming language. Applications of C programming are operating systems, embedded systems GUI new programming platforms, compiler design etc. Companies using C programming are Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Intel and many more. Join us and build your career. In terms of service, we are providing technical support after the session. If you have any doubts or queries, you don't need to wait for the next session. Just contact the technical support team and we will give the support through webinar. We are helping with LMS as well. Whichever session you take will be recorded so that you will get a fair chance when you miss the session, or if you want to revise you can use the LMS service. Wish you very happy learning. Contact us if you have any queries.